Well, unang sa lahat, hindi yung mga ordinaryong abogado. Si Mr. Reynold Monsayak at si Mr. Michael Powa. Ito po ay mga matataas na opisyal. Noong pong si Vice President Sara Duterte ay nag-head po ng Department of Education, and even up until sa kanya pong opisina sa OVP, yung pong dalawang mga abogado pong ito ay naroon. But more importantly, for example, si Mr. Monsayak, siya po ay pinapangalanan ni Undersecretary Gloria Mercado na nag-try na mag-influence doon po sa isang procurement process ng Department of Education. And secondly, napapangalanan din po siya doon sa Madriaga Affidavit, no, na pinaglagakan daw po ng mga duffel bags. No? So, I think meron pong real conflict of interest po ito sa kanilang role as counsel and as a future witness / resource person. Kasi ang aming po concern is these individuals, these lawyers, will raise lawyer-client privilege para ho hindi sagutin yung po mga lehitimong tanong po ng komite in the course of their work in the Department of Education and in the Office of the Vice President.
Pero syempre, ang concern dyan kung paano yun makaka-apekto dun sa defense team ni VP Sara. Baka hindi ba yun unfair for her on her part?
Well, I think we have seen the list of the lawyers. They have 16 lawyers. Tingin ko yung 14 po na matitira, we have no objections on them, no? So, think the Vice President can still competently get legal advice from the remaining 14 lawyers po that will not be rejected ng atin pong komite. And very clear naman ho yung pagkakaiba. Talaga hong high-level officials po ito in the OVP and the Department of Education na ang atin po talagang fear, they will raise client confidentiality as a basis to reject interpellation and questions by committee members.
Kasi posibleng mapatawag din yung dalawa.
Yeah.
Hindi, si Mr. Monsayak, certainly, absolutely certain. Ipapatawag po talaga yan. Kasi on two separate incidents, no, napapangalanan siya doon sa Gloria Mercado testimony noong nakaraan, tapos doon po sa Madriaga Affidavit, nababanggit po siya. So, he will most definitely be called during the committee proceedings.